guys, JV here. Excited you're with me, and as always, this is more of a community than a channel, so would love to hear your thoughts down below. And today I've got a new review, or kind of I don't know, we're just going to discuss the new Lume Cube Edge Light. Illuminate your video calls and live broadcasts. So for the last couple months, I did a review of these lights here that I put above my computer monitors. And they're pretty cool. They shine the light down and I can kind of see things on my desk. They work real well, but they don't work as what I really want to have intended. And that is to be able to kind of light me when I'm doing a live video or doing video, you know, on my computer, but also be kind of a utility light. And I saw these advertised on Facebook. Lume Cube got me, and I've used some of their products in the past, and they've got these soft lights that just work. And so when I saw these were great for $119 a piece. Ended up picking up 2 of them. And what I want to do then is get them set up and take a look to see if these are going to work for me better than these lights above my desk, and then I can put these in my store on eBay and sell those lights off. But let's go ahead and open them up real quick. So here they are, the Edge Light from Lume Cube. Illuminate your video and live broadcast. So let's see what we got in the box. And I got 2 of these. Let me undo this real quick so we can kind of get in here. And we can get into one of them. Then what we'll do, we'll go get them set up, do some videos so you can kind of see what they look like, and then we'll go over everything with you. So let's go ahead and pull it out here and see what we got in the box. So in the box, we have an AC power adapter. What else is in here? I need more stuff. Use code EDGE10. That's kind of cool. So we've got a power adapter in here, which is an AC, pretty typical power adapter. We have a I don't know, a styrofoam frisbee. We have the light, which is all in one piece, which seems pretty cool, with 1, 2, 3 articulating arms and the ability to turn it this way. So I was worried that it would be tall enough because my setup is pretty high. So we're gonna go get it set up and see if it's tall enough. One of the cool things about these lights that I think is really neat is on the back, you can see it here, they have a USB connector. I think that's Thunderbolt. It looks like Thunderbolt back here, so you can utilize that to plug in a phone or something else. Doesn't move right to left. This does, but this doesn't. So once you get it set up, you're pretty well stuck with it. But let's go ahead, and it's pretty tight, like it's stiff. And I can see how they have Allen screws, I believe, so you can tighten these if you need to. But let's go ahead and get them set up. So I got 2 of these. We're gonna go put these on each side of the desk, see what the light looks like, and if it's gonna work for what I'm hoping for, which is to light me, but then if I wanna bring it around and do some things with it, I can use it the same way. By the way, it does have a cool and a warm setting, so you can kind of go daylight or that yellowish warm color. So let's go ahead and get them set up, and we'll take a look at them and see if we've got something cool here. The Lume Cube Edge Light. All right, let's go set it up. Got everything set up. It looks pretty cool. You can see they were tall enough to work with my computer monitors. As you can see here, they both go over the top, and they just work real well. In fact, I really like them even better than the other lights that I have, because I can push them down and I can see my desk, and it really lights up my work area really nicely here. Now here's a test. What I want to do is just jump into the computer, use the computer monitor's camera. This isn't even a fancy camera, and show you the difference that the lighting makes with this. And I'm using ScreenFlow 2080p, not doing 4K, like really, really bad recording, but I thought it would be a good way to see how the lighting really changes when you use the lights. So check this out. This is a little demo here that you can see. Okay, here we are in the computer with just the lights on. I have the 2, as you can see in the video there. I have them on each side of me. I'm using one screen right now, and you can see my face is pretty clear. In fact, let me put some glasses on, and you can see, if you look up, you can see it in the glasses, but when I'm looking down, you can't see it, which is really great. I can actually modify these a little bit to give me a little more light, which is really good. And I have them on full brightness. So if we back them off a little bit, let's back these off. And I think I can soften them up, and it'll even be a little bit better. So there's a nice soft light. We take off this. Let me go ahead and move the lights around, and I think I'm getting a pretty good light. That's with just this. and I'm using this kind of as a fill. That's on about a medium setting there on a brightness medium. Let's go ahead and turn on a light, and I'll turn off so you can kind of see the difference. Let me just go ahead and turn on the halogens above, or the halogens, but the LED, these bulbs, whatever you call them, which I don't like. And now you can kind of see them without. Let's take the lights off, okay? Light is off. Light is off. And now you can kind of see with just an overhead light right now. Let's go ahead and turn one on. Okay, there's one on with brightness, and even that alone is better, right? But let's go ahead and turn the second one on. And now I've got them both on with the overhead lights. You can see it's a little hot in here now because I got the lights on. It's sweating a little bit, but you can kind of see there. Hold on, let's move this over. You can kind of see what it looked like. Let's go ahead and turn the lights off above. Okay, and now it's just me with the computer lighting. This is directly from my LG monitor. I'm not using any special camera right here. This is just my monitor camera that's putting out this input. And, you know, for me, it really brightens my desktop. Like, I like these lights. It's not too bright where you look into them, and it really, it's not like, wow, I can't see. Like, I use a lot of their products. So here's a little Lume cube, and it's like a dull, bright light, so you're not going to get blinded by it when you look into it, as you do with a lot of other lighting. But I wanted to give you this test. Let's go back to the office and discuss it a little bit more. Now, as always, you know, I bought these two units. I'm not being compensated by Lume Cube. I'm actually utilizing them. I'm going to utilize them and set up my system so it's a little bit better, obviously, using my better cameras. But the lighting overall works great. I'm really happy with them. If I want to put on my glasses now, I'm not going to get the ring that you see in there, which is great. So if I have to read something and I have to throw my glasses on, I'm not going to get that reflection because of the height of them. I can move them around. They're really great as far as where I want to put them and move them. Again, the articulating arms work for me, but I like them up there really high. And I like that light beaming down on my desk, and I don't have to use those overhead lights that I just can't stand so much that flicker and just aren't good for video production. Again, I paid $119 a piece. I have the link down below. I have the link down to Amazon. You can grab them. But I'm real happy with these. They serve the function for what I am using them for. And I think if you're looking to live stream, you're looking to have a little bit better lighting around your desk so you don't have to use the overhead lighting. And maybe you don't want to work at night and you've got some lighting, good lighting there. These are really cool, and I'm very happy with my purchase. Now I got to sell my other two, throw those up on eBay. As always, I would love to hear your comments below. What do you think? Are these something you would be interested in? I think you could use one, but two is better than one. I think the second one creates that fill that really fills in the light. But if you're looking for a professional lighting system for your desk to do videos, or just a light for your desk, this is a pretty cool setup. And one of the things I would like to say is that you just look at it and it's not in your eyes. Like, it just doesn't really, hurt your eyes when you're looking in a big light source. And that's the main thing. So thanks so much for watching. As always, I'd love to hear your comments down below. Is this something that you would pick up, something you would use? And as always, love to hear what you got going on. This is Community More on the channel. Love to have that thumbs up. It helps the algorithm here on YouTube, and appreciate you being a part of this community. Well, go have a great week. More videos coming this week. But today we got some new lighting for the desk. Going to help me work a little bit better, and it may be something that you want to pick up that would help you out too. All right, have a great one. Until the next video, go have some fun. Thanks so much for watching.